I used to feel that giving importance to myself is being selfish, but that's not it. Giving
Mm.
importance to yourself is making you capable to give importance to others. Now I accept people and respect people even more because I value relationships. So I'm working both on my money. My money situations have improved a lot. I was chasing before. One de do, like this types. But now he will give. I'm his child. He will give. There's abundance in this world, and he will surely give what is needed for me.
So, welcome once again to another RTF Rise to Fame interview with Manisha, who has really progressed in her life after joining the Energy Queens community. So, I will not take much of your time. Let us hear directly from Manisha as to what is happening in her life before and after. So, before she joined the Energy Queens community, what was her in her life, and after, what are the changes that is happening in every area of her life? So Manisha, over to you. अब बताइए how has the Energy Queen system impacted your life?
Thank you, Ritu. First of all, I'm so glad that I've joined your community, and it has made major changes in my life. There was before, there was no reason why I was getting up early in the morning. There was no charm, no? I was just getting up, doing the whole thing like a regular routine, just going on and on. Now there's a reason and there's an importance. I never used to value myself before. Now I have value, I prioritize myself. I'm the same. Yes, I'm the same, but now I'm giving importance to myself. And with that, I'm able to give importance to others even more. I used to feel that giving importance to myself is being selfish, but that's not it. Giving importance to yourself is making you capable to give importance to others. Now I accept people and respect people even more because I value relationships. So I'm working both on my money. My money situations have improved a lot. I was chasing before. One de do, like this types. But now he will give. I'm his child. He will give. There's abundance in this world, and he will surely give what is needed for me. Yes, and I'm getting more than I want. Much more than I want. I just think small instances. Like I just thought, I need to buy a new pair of Crocs now. And 3 days later, my husband just took me to a shop to khareed lo. It just came to my mind कि एक तो लेना होगा. Now this is wearing off. I keep one aside. Like these things are happening. So this is one part. Now another part is every time I used to feel a lack. I'm not equal to others. My family members, they are senior now. Now I say, what senior? I have much more than everybody. I started loving myself. सबसे बड़ा बात, started loving myself. And the main partner, the journey to evolve. In your sessions, this part comes, no, I love this part. You meet someone, you say, no, you choose. We came to know that we choose our parents, we choose our brothers and sisters, your husband, because we have kept something incomplete in the last thing. So this is here. So now I behave accordingly. I'm trying at least, and much better that I have to finish this account with him. So
yes,
I have to finish this account. I have to move forward. Yes,
so this is great that your relationships have really improved because now you're thinking on those grounds.
Yes, many things have happened in such. I never believed that this could happen with my husband, with my children, my mother-in-law, something. So it's a win-win situation for me in everything. For my money, for my health. I never used to care for my health. Eating an apple was a big mountain for me, a headache for me. Kyo khana? But now I know the reason now why I should eat. Breathing exercise, everything in the morning rituals I do. Like even on my 25th anniversary day, it was such a big day, but I got up early in the morning. I did my 1 hour ritual. With this, I can do everything much better. I will look prettier. I will look everything. Everything is coming. Yeah, everything is coming with the flow of the energy. And another thing is that I was very fearful type of person. मुझे डर लगता रहता था कि ये people pleaser, ये क्या बोलेंगे. But now I can tell the truth in front of them or keep quiet, but not हाँ में हाँ मिलाने types. So this energy has come, this strength has come, and if I can tell them that this is right or wrong with compassion, with keeping their respect. Maybe they will not like my truth. That is another thing. But I respect them and tell them the truth. That because they know that this is right. What
That's
you're
so
saying, right?
beautiful. Yes,
Yes.
thank you so much, Manisha, for sharing this, because most of the women we are stuck here. We
Yes.
can't speak out our truth, and when we speak out and we lash out because there's so much that we keep inside ourselves. But yes, you're doing it gracefully and beautifully now. So your personal frequency with your relationships, I can see that it is really improved big time. Now you've started drawing your boundaries, right, Manisha?
Yes. I've
Um,
started drawing my boundaries. This is it. And we have to. One day or the other, we have to go. If we go forward in the wrong way, we have to come back to come to the right way. And that's a real waste of time. Means कि भगवान ने तो limited जिंदगी दी है ना. So we have to come back. So why not from the beginning start with that? You make your boundaries. I'm not telling you we have to be rude. We don't. In fact, I was more rude before. I'm telling you a fact. It was ruder. But now I've become compassionate, yet setting my boundaries. So this is
amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this. And even in your so now that you're drawing your boundaries, now that you have more time available because you know how to draw your boundaries, now that you're
Yes.
practicing all the breathing exercise and you can feel that energy. So when it comes to your career or your money frequency, like you were talking about, that it's only increasing. So can you tell
Yes.
us a little bit about before and after? Like, in which way that you feel like, yeah, it is really impacting your career also now. So if you could just throw a little bit of light
Yes.
on that. Yes.
Yes. First of all, there was no goal. How much I have to earn. So now I have set a goal. So I work towards it. I was a buyer. I used to go to the market. ये अच्छा लगा, उठा लिया. I have put my boundaries to that. Do I really need? Is it a waste? So keeping a check on my expenses and saving at the same time investing in many things. Investing in your community is one of the biggest investment I've made till today. This is a real investment, through which I'm getting everything. Even for my husband, I'm doing so many things on my part. What we can do, the Ho'oponopo prayer, the EFT for myself, everything. Wax I'm doing every day. So money frequency is increasing. First, I did the Metaversal Star. I still follow the Metaversal Star. Yeah, so I've gained everything what I've written, even to 5 lakh rupees. My ornaments that I needed, that I dreamt of in my vision board, it's on my body now, from the vision board to my body. Means socha, now for this year I wanted a laptop. It's coming. I know it's coming. It's all done. So it's like this. It's coming like this.
Basically, whatever you're wishing for is coming true to you. And
Yes.
if you've set 5 lakhs in your metaversal, so 5 lakhs. So whatever goal
Yes.
you're setting, you're targeting and you're getting that.
Yes.
And anything in your career growth, you see a growth in your career as well. So you are working, right now, Manisha? Yeah.
Yes. Even I was so scared of making I have my own business, a small business, the Cotton Cupboard, regarding to home furnishing and cotton clothes and all that. I was so scared to even make a WhatsApp group. When I didn't have that strength, what people will think कि WhatsApp group बना लिया कोई leave. Now I said, what the hell, यार leave कर देगा तो ठीक है ना, 2 और join हो जाएगा. I think like this. So I made that. Through that I'm getting orders. My customers from the blue, I don't even know that person, and they are ringing up कि ये आपका देखे थे Facebook में या Insta में. So like this, it's increasing my career. Yes, and I have in my mind that I have to start another thing side by side, and I know this will also come. Something more will come. So
Really, thank you so much, Manisha, for sharing this. So, Manisha is growing in all her areas, be it her relationship, be it her money, be it in her career, be it in her health. In every single area, she is growing and she is prospering. That is what she's saying. So, thank you so much, Manisha, for inspiring so many people over here, whoever is watching. So, any last thing which if you want to tell people who are still thinking of joining this community, or people in already our community, if you want to just give them something, some piece of wisdom or whatever it is from you. Yes, if you want to tell them anything last.
Yes. See, we have when we are a child and we are crossing a road. If you are a child, we are so scared. We go little bit, we come back. But our parents hold our hands. Then the child goes swinging, aram se swinging. हम लोग cross कर लेते road and come back. Like this also, we should have unconditional faith in the universe and the system. If it's coming to you, that means it's for you. Anything doesn't come to you without a reason. It's for your progress. So when we have unconditional trust in something, things start manifesting. Yes, this I'm telling you. Just leave it to God and the system and do, but you have to be an action taker. See, वो तो है ही है, कर्म है, destiny भी है, कर्म भी है. Both we have to do. Like we go to a locker to take out a jewelry, ना 2 चाबी रहती है, चाबी चलानी होती है, कर्म की भी and destiny की. So do it. You'll be happy. I'll just say you'll be happy, more successful. You'll grow each and every day. That's the best part. We grow each and every day, and you go to sleep contently. That you're satisfied that I'm sleeping with a full light heart. That's the message.
Thank you so much, Manisha, and more energy to you. And may all your wishes come true one by one by one. It's already coming true, but all be zyada. So thank you so much. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.